So I paid $119.08 after tax. So we can get straight into the unboxing. But before we do, if you're familiar with my videos, if you've seen my videos before, this isn't the normal spot that I normally record my videos at. Well, I just dropped a video where my sneaker storage got flooded and I had to move all my shoes out. New Balance has been so deep in their bag lately that they literally forced me to make this video. I think they've been killing all other sneaker brands, especially Nike and Jordan, because they haven't been doing anything right over the past couple of years. Now, the one thing I did say that New Balance needs to do to solidify their #1 spot is to have a shoe that has resale value. Now, I'm not talking about collabs like Action Bronson or Joe Fresh Goods, just a regular shoe that you can get somewhere, I don't know, maybe at Foot Locker. And that's exactly what they did. So New Balance just dropped a new pair of 9060s, and it is a Foot Locker and Kids Foot Locker exclusive. So if you are interested in this after the video, just know that these will be the only places that you'll be able to get these for retail, with the retail being at $110. I'm in Texas.